5 spring fashion tips to stop looking frumpy. As the temperature begins to rise and flowers start to bloom, yep, there are daffodils everywhere now and I love it, it's time to revamp our closet with fresh spring wardrobe essentials that will take your style to the next level. And I'm just going to go through them one by one because I have 5 that I'm going to share with you today. Or maybe an extra one. So when it comes to adding a fun twist to your spring outfits, incorporating statement pieces that offer a pop of color is key. Whether you opt for a vibrant blouse, a bold pair of earrings, or a colorful handbag, these eye-catching items can instantly elevate your ensemble and infuse it with personality. And it helps you stay modern, fresh, and relevant. So explore different shades and patterns to find pieces that speak to your individual style and make a memorable impact. By embracing statement pieces, you can effortlessly transition from day to night while showcasing your unique fashion sense with confidence. When it comes to adding a fun twist to your spring outfits, incorporating statement pieces that offer a pop of color is key. Green is big this spring, along with royal blue, apricot, dark cherry red, pastel blue, pale yellow, and lilac, to name a few. So explore different shades and patterns to find pieces that speak to your individual style and make a memorable impact. And I personally am loving all the shades of green. It's just, we have vibrant Kelly green to a sage green. It's just, green is just everywhere, and that's actually one of my favorites. But I do like lilac too. Well, okay, I like them all. But I know that not every one of us like all the colors or incorporate them into our wardrobe. So pick the 1 or 2 that's perfect for your wardrobe. And if there's one wardrobe staple that never goes out of style, it's classic denim. Denim jeans, jackets, and skirts are versatile pieces that can easily be dressed up or down, depending on the occasion. For an effortlessly chic look, pair your favorite denim items with a crisp white blouse or a simple graphic tee. Add some accessories like a statement belt or a delicate necklace to elevate the outfit while still maintaining a laid-back vibe. Whether running errands or meeting friends for brunch, classic denim will always have you looking put together and stylish. And recently I released, and we'll have it linked up here, I released a spring denim trend video that really goes into depth of which silhouettes are really on trend this year and will help you stay modern, fresh, and relevant and out of the front zone. And we all know that vibrant, plump skin is the key to looking ageless and not frumpy. And also, I did just want to mention that really frumpy, I think many of us misunderstand what it is. Frumpy just means out of date. That's what it means. So today, I'm thrilled to partner with OneSkin again, because it's important to shift our skincare routine with the seasons, right? I know we just had a very long, dry winter, and now we're going into spring. And so that's just perfect time to switch gears, because things like dry, flaky skin, redness, even fine lines and wrinkles are a reflection of what's happening at the cellular level. So give your skin the TLC it needs to stay healthy, smooth, and hydrated as we move into warmer weather. And for a limited time, my viewers will get an exclusive 15% off OneSkin products using the code Beth when you check out at oneskin.co. And we'll have everything linked down below. Because no matter the season, keeping your skin looking and feeling healthy with OneSkin is top of mind. And honestly, it has the Saka stamp of approval. And that's why I've been sharing them with you month after month. And here's a fun fact. In a third-party 12-week clinical study performed by a third-party research organization, OS1 Face was clinically proven to strengthen the skin barrier, improve skin health markers, and diminish visible signs of aging. And wrinkles were diminished in 87% of users. That's pretty impressive. So check the description box down below to get 15% off OneSkin with the code Beth at www.oneskin.co, because spring is the perfect time to up your skincare game. When it comes to completing your spring wardrobe essentials, finding the perfect pair of comfortable yet stylish footwear is essential. From trendy sneakers to classic loafers, the right shoes can tie your entire outfit together while keeping you comfortable all day long. Opt for versatile styles that can easily transition from day to night, whether you're out running errands or meeting friends for dinner. The key is to find shoes that not only look good, and also feel good on your feet. And this year for spring 2024, ballet flats, Mary Janes, and kitten heels along with sneakers, are back in vogue. And I will have to mention too, slingbacks too. And all of these favor comfort without compromising style. And I shared this in a video a couple videos ago, if you find shoes with buckles, and I'm pretty sure you will, snag them, because buckles are everywhere and so on trend, and they're très chic. And if you've made it this far in the video, you might as well hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell. And there are 3 things you can do to help me grow the channel: like, share, and comment. And spring 2024, bold statement jewelry is back in a big way. And here are just a few of my favorites. And actually, I'm wearing one of them. So this is a coin necklace. It's a gold link necklace, and I've had this for a while. It's not available anymore, but I'll link something similar down below. But oversized chokers are among the most popular pieces of jewelry. Their shapes, sizes, and colors catch the eye, making them true statement pieces. And this year, jewelry is made to be noticed from afar. And my other favorite choker is, so it's freshwater pearls. And they're fairly large, and it's from my Vietnam days, and I'm telling you, still one of my favorite necklaces to wear. But also sculptural bracelets are big, and these are bracelets which can be colored, gold, or silver, but they are a must. And you can wear them alone, in maxi size, or mix them with other colored ones for a bold gypsy effect. And you can never, ever go wrong with a stack of gold or silver bangles. But what about chandelier earrings? Because chandelier earrings do not follow a minimalist style. They're bold and dangly with oversized styles that add a touch of glamour to any outfit. And if you can still wear rings, that's a little bit challenging for me with my arthritic hands, but rings are unique and artistic, and they're often true pieces of art and design that add personality to your look. And I love Julie Voss or Monica Vinader. They're affordable brands that I reach for again and again, and they have really some beautiful rings. And each brand truly has a lovely selection of beautiful rings and other jewelry as well, but their rings are pretty cool. And don't overlook brooches and charms with letters. Brooches and charms with letters of the alphabet are a fun way to personalize your jewelry and add a touch of originality to your style. Okay, ladies, let's embrace spring with ease and elegance and easy tips to keep the frump at bay. After all, as Coco Chanel once said, fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. And a big thank you to OneSkin for this sponsored post. And thank you, my lovely viewers, for supporting the brands that allow me to bring you fresh ideas. Well, ladies, I know we all want to keep the frump at bay, so I hope you found 1 or 2 spring fashion tips that are going to help you do just that. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.